Come on, bro. What was that?
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
What's going on?
Mother of God, it's contagious. Right over there, buddy? Get this, I'm out of here. Oh man, oh man. Okay, backpack, check. Food, check. Water bottle, check. Hygiene mask, check. Epic sunglasses, check.
Hello? Is anybody in here?
Are you infected?
No, are you?
No. Are you gonna kill me?
Only if you try to kill me.
Okay. Do you want to be allies then?
Sure.
We should barricade for the night.
I'll go find some weapons.
I'll go in the garage and look for some materials. My dad is big on carpentry. Who are you?
Not infected.
What are you doing?
Eating a ho-ho.
You said you're not infected?
Yes.
Alright, well then help us barricade for the night.
Oh, well then I better put that back.
Who's this?
Another survivor.
Pleased to meet you.
I found these. They work!
Well, as long as they work.
What was that?
How did they find us?
I don't know.
Look!
Hey guys, help!
Should we let him in?
Yeah, why not? We already let him in.
We really should... Fine. Let him in.
Guys, let me in! I know you're in there. Let me in, come on! Guys! Guys, thanks so much for letting me in.
Yeah,
No problem. We have to go fortify upstairs though.
What? No, we need to stay down here.
We need to. We'll know where all the Yawnbies are up there. If we go fortify up there, then we can do everything better up there.
From what I saw in the back, there was less windows down here.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if they come in from down here, we'll have better position to take them out.
I don't think we're gonna win this.
No, I don't think we will either. Alright, fine. We'll go upstairs.
I'll go get some food.
Wait, is that what you want?
You guys hear that?
I think they broke in. Ouch!
Retreat! Take this! Yawnbies!
The Yawnbies got in. We gotta leave now!
we go to now?
I know a place.
Alright, let's go.
Here we are, folks. School? Here we are. This is probably the safest place in the school.
Home sweet home. He's infected!
He has no pulse. He wasn't infected.
Well, can't let his stuff go to waste.